스위스 간다.
Available for children. Only at the exit door and step into the room.
더 사시네. Das Gepäck zurücklassen. 밖으로 나와서 바로 길 건너편에 기차 타는 곳으로 왔습니다. 반. S2. 7시 31분거.
Next stop, Zurich Main Station.
You look the same.
You too.
You didn't change. Thank you. Wow.
I can carry it for you. This is the main hall upstairs, and then we have some more orientation. And then we take the tram.
Oh, okay. Tram. So how was your life? I mean, like, see, like I was going through the customs, and I said I'm traveling and visiting my friend, and then she said, when did you guys meet together? I was like 25 years ago, and she was like, wow.
She thought, is she that old?
No, maybe 25 years.
Yeah, great.
And she was asking why you guys didn't hang out or meet before. I was like, oh yeah, everybody was busy, maybe, right?
Yes. So what about you?
Me, I was kind of working, I guess. Yeah. So now,
What do you work at? Don't even know.
I didn't study much. I studied in United States, but like just because to be there, I didn't really have any goal.
Yeah.
You know, I was too young. I'm still immature, I think.
Yeah, you're wrong.
So I just studied what I can, and I just finished the school. And then I moved to New York, and I lived there, and I had fun there. I was learning like dancing, like K-pop dancing and stuff like that. And then after that, you know, my visa is, you know, almost done. So I'm like, okay, maybe then I should go back to Korea. And I came back to Korea. And
But you have these little dogs on your WhatsApp picture. That's really Korean, right?
yeah. They're from Maltese, but like it.
That's one of my favorite streets.
Ooh.
Behind it's like very small house.
Mm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, it's really quiet
Yes.
town.
It's the last week of holiday.
Ah.
Many people are still away,
Uh-huh.
coming back today or
okay.
tomorrow. And it's so early, you know. Apples and fruit. They're always here on Saturday.
Mm.
So build everything up.
It's like a farmer's market or something.
Yes. But we can have coffee and
Okay.
so this is it.
Mm.
Hello, Mary.
Oh.
We want to try something, you know, like if you say that these are things you have never seen.
Okay,
Fruits.
this I've seen it,
Ah,
but this one. I mean, we have peach, but it's
this one? Is,
yeah.
it's a flat.
Yeah, flat peach. Yeah.
Yeah.
First time I see.
Let's take flat peach. Ich habe Besuch von Südkorea. Sie ist gerade angekommen. Super. Und jetzt schauen wir, was sie noch nicht kennt. Also wir nehmen wir mal so ein.
Ja, sonst kannst du mal schauen.
Let's take
Dann.
it. Und dann können wir nachher so mal sammeln. Gell?
Ja, ist gut. Also, das ist schön so.
I take these as well because
Okay.
I really love them. It's
yeah.
fig.
Oh yeah, fig. Yeah, yeah,
Ja, danke. But we can, you know, all these berries.
yeah. Blackberry,
Yeah.
cranberry.
Cranberry.
Yeah.
This one? No. This one?
Ah, you can buy some and then you can mix and make a salad.
Mhm.
Oh.
Yeah. You like salad?
Yeah, I love. I mean, you know, as I got older, the vegetables is easier to
Yeah.
digest. I mean, I love meat, but my stomach feels comfortable with the vegetables.
Yeah. You know, I gained 5 kilograms
Oh.
this year, so I'm not kind of pissed off this situation. So
I gained too, but I don't know when, but I gained a lot. So I started workout from June.
and you lost it, right? Again.
Yeah, I go to a fitness center.
Oh yeah. I also had I have a membership,
Mm-hmm.
but I didn't join for 2 months.
Oh.
I don't know why I gained. I think it's because of age. But
Yeah, it is. And also they say it's hard to lose weight when you get older.
Yeah.
So I'm like every day I'm working out.
Roshi,
Grüezi.
ich habe Besuch von Südkorea.
Nicht wahr?
Ja,
Hello.
Hello, nice to meet you.
this
Von
is Roshi,
Südkorea?
who is written. Jisung. Yes. Sie ist heute angekommen.
Ja.
gerade Vom Flughafen. Und
Oh,
25 years ago we met in US.
you're tired now, eh?
Yeah, 24
leg,
hours
oder?
of traveling. Yes.
Wie viel? Iri?
Was immer?
That's... So. How long do you stay in Switzerland?
10 days.
10
9,
days?
10 days.
And then you're traveling
Back to Korea.
back to Korea.
Yeah.
She leaves Zurich on Monday
Huh?
and
To Luzern.
to Luzern.
Maybe. I don't
Maybe, or maybe Basel.
know. Or Gruyere.
Gruyere.
Gruyere. This is a very nice place, Gruyere.
You know, Roche, he used to fly with the balloon.
Oh, yeah. Air balloon. Hot air balloon.
Hot air
Yeah.
balloon,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
So he knows every place in Switzerland.
Not every, but a lot of places.
And
Oh,
also abroad.
Cappadocia.
Cappadocia,
Yeah.
you know it?
Yeah,
You lost
they-
there.
I mean, I want to visit there,
Yeah.
but they have
A lot. Maybe 100 balloons there.
Ah.
Hello, I'm half Korean. I just heard that you're Korean, so I
Ah,
thought
yeah.
I needed to say
Is she not?
Hi. Ah, yeah. Long trip.
Long trip. Yeah.
Is it possible that we know?
Wow, this is. First time I see.
Put a nice back.
That's new to me to have like.
I'm going to try. This is my first time. I heard about this so many times, but
Yeah, I think the best is to take care of oneself, to have a good life, and then you are more relaxed with everything.
so that's why like, okay, now how much money do I need to save to live in the future for myself, you know? Because you know, obviously the
The
body,
inflation.
yeah, inflation.
Yeah, right. How is it?
Good.
You like?
Mm,
Maybe it's a
sweet.
bit too hard, but
But
let's
it's
do
sweet.
It's sweet, okay.
You're the same.
I know you look the same.
You look the same.
I know you guys are exactly the same. Oh, clear! Like it's an American brand. Wow. Wow. Okay. Okay.
Because I think on 2 or 3 they start with the parade. There will be big cars running down along the lake. Techno sound and all those weird people dancing. I mean, it's fun.
Friday, when you know when you are arriving, you let me know. Okay. If I am still in the office, my boyfriend is at home, so he will be able to.
Oh, okay.
to open for you.
Oh, you have a boyfriend.
I have a boyfriend.
When are you going to
Married. It was my old husband. That is my boyfriend now. Actually, we were married before. He was my boyfriend when we met in school. We were together for 7 years. And we married. And,
And you didn't tell anybody? And
You were married?
yes, her boyfriend now was her ex-boyfriend.
Yeah.
Husband.
What, your boyfriend?
So
Your
actually,
now is your ex-husband?
yes. So actually, I met my boyfriend when we were in a school in France, and we were together for 7 years. We married, and then we divorced like a year after. And then we were apart. Like he had his life, I had my life for 8 years. And then 8 years. 8 years, huh? Oh, wow. Yeah. We were actually split more than we were together. Oh, wow. And now, since 2 years ago, we're back.
Okay, so when are you going to get remarried?
That was my brother's. So actually, we will not remarried. We don't know. But I put the
Wedding
ring again
ring?
since 2 weeks or so.
Okay.
So we are married again.
Okay.
Or the
It's a marriage ring. Yeah, marriage.
Wedding ring. Okay.
to the shadow side.
Yeah.
So this is again Bahnhofstrasse, where we start. We made a half circle.
We were just.
Wow.
No. Why isn't it opening? Oh, this one's open.
Oh. Okay.
I thought it's closed, but no, it's good. Five.
So they work for both of the elevators.
Yeah.
The buttons.
Yeah, obviously.
So you have 2 kids, Sandy. Two kids.
She's the only one who has the kids.
And
You did a good job.
That's why I look oldest.
Oh.
Most stressed, probably.
Yeah, maybe.
More stress, I think.
It's of course a lot of stress.
Yeah, it is. I mean, it can be so.
It's the biggest job that I.
So Yisan, you're here.
Yes, I'm here. I constantly will take videos.
And I was in the US and I was.
Dida door?
Niederdorf.
Niederdorf.
Yes. Oh, you're good.
Niederdorf.
Not able to go out of the harbor. So this was cancelled. That was so sad. I think this is safe.
Okay.
More south of the Red Sea. Exactly. Yeah. 50% of the population does.
It's kind of boring, but.
No, I still have more stuff.
Wow. What is it called? Gross Winster. Uh-huh. More than 500 years. Wow. Oh! Oh!
Oh, look, all the boats. What are they doing? Partying? He's already drunk. I hope he doesn't. Oh no, he's sitting.
And put some feathers on you. That was in
Just fall down.
Oh, pretty.
It's our party.
Oh.
Very, you know. Yeah, you have to.
And then I
I was in March and the cherry blossom was supposed to fall. I went here in the Sampura.